Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet, clean and simple Valentine's Day card with the new Stampin' Up! Heartfelt stamp set. There isn't just one, but two heart punches to coordinate with the Heartfelt stamp set. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stampin' Smiles, and for 18 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand-stamped smiles. And the sweet part, well, that's coming from the Celebration Thoughtful Blooms stamp set. Here's a closer view of the Heartfelt stamp set and the two coordinating heart punches that come together in the Heart Punch Pack. And when you order all three of these together using the special bundle item number I've listed right here, you'll save 10% on both. Now the Heartfelt stamp set and punches, well, they're from the new January through June 2020 Stampin' Up! Mini Catalog, formerly known as, and I'll be calling it, the Occasions Catalog from here out, because that is a mouthful. All right, so something I want to show you. So whenever you see a stamp set, of course, look to see if there's a bundle, and this is pictured on the previous page, the bundle, because I don't want you to miss out on that 10% savings on both. But look at the stamp set, which they're pictured at actual size, and if you see solid shading around an image, like these three, look to find out, it'll tell you down here in the key that there's a coordinating punches, or dies. So always look for that. Okay, and so then also we'll be using the Celebration Thoughtful Blooms stamp set. So if you're new to Celebration, well, it's the best time of the year, second only to Christmas. And so here we have a special catalog just for that. And this is full of exclusive products. And the only way to get these is June 3rd through March 31st, 2020, absolutely for free. And you pick one for free for every 50, or there are some in here free with a $100 purchase. And the Thoughtful Bloom stamp set, well, this is one of them, free with your $50 order. And we'll be using this on our sweet, clean and simple Valentine's Day card. What I have here is very vanilla cardstock, and whenever you want a cream colored cardstock to stamp on, I highly recommend the very vanilla cardstock. It has a tight, smooth finish that gives you a crisp, clean image. And look how well the very vanilla goes with the Rococo rose. Oh my goodness, love the warmth of this. This is one of the 2019-2021 in colors. So what we do is we pick up that lid and then slide it in, and then I'm going to give a quick swipe of my stamping sleeves because I tend to pick up ink from who knows where and it ends up smudging my cards. So my mom and I came up with the stamping sleeves to prevent that. I have a link under the video where you can learn more about that. So I have the Happy Valentine's Day heart. Here we go. So get this good and inked up. Come over here and stamp, and this is solid, so let's hold down just a little extra long so we get a great image. Oh, fantastic. And we're done with this for now. So what I do is I do a little push, pull on that lid and the lip, and then you hear that click, you know it's closed. Another quick swipe of my stamping sleeves. And the Merry Merlot, oh my goodness, this coordinates beautifully with the Rococo rose. All right, so pick that up, slide that in, and then next we have our fancy scallop heart punch stamp. I got punch on the brain. All right, so we'll come over here and stamp next to it, leaving some room around it. There we go. Let's see how well we did. All right. That I would like but we're going to be covering it up. I'd like to push there a little bit better, but we're okay. So a little push here, you see, and pull on that and click. We got it. All right, so now for our punches, we'll start with the smooth heart punch. And so what you do is, there you go, and open it up. And what's so cool about the Stampin' Up! Stamps when it has a coordinating punch, we stamp first and then we punch it. We center it in the punch. So I'm looking to have that, the very vanilla, a nice border, even border all the way around. Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice. So next we get to use the scallop heart punch. So again, there we go, to open that up. And then to close it, you just pull it right back. And here we go. So again, we're looking. This doesn't have quite as big of a border as the other. All right. So, oh, there we go. All right. Oh, very, very nice. Very happy with that. So what we will do is go ahead and put the two of these together. Isn't that sharp? Instead of flat, I'm going to use Stampin Dimensionals. Here we go, these foam adhesive dots. And there we go. A couple will work really, really well. Boy, this is just a great way to dress it up instead of it just being completely flat. And so what I did was I pressed in the center with my thumbnail, and then that makes the edge pop up to take off that backing really easily. So we just want to center this on here. Oh, there we go. Looking oh so nice. So now to finish our card, that's where our Heartfelt Blooms stamp set comes in, the celebration. And then for the base of the card, I'm using Very Vanilla thick cardstock. So it has that same smooth, tight finish for stamping on as the Very Vanilla, but it's a heavier weight, so it makes it great for a card base. All right, I like to stamp on a flat surface. I don't want anything springing up. And so what I have here is, look, this from the stamp set. All right, and Pear Pizzazz Classic Stampin' Pad. Boy, these colors are just gorgeous together. So again, pick this up, slide that in, and a quick swipe. Because can you imagine at this point if I smudge that? Yeah, you don't want to see me cry. All right, so let's go ahead, ink this up. And I'm going to stamp here. And I'm going to repeat it and let it overlap some right here. There we go. All right. Close this up. Always listen for that click, and another quick swipe, and back to our Rococo rose. There you go, slide that, and we have this little flower that's part of the Thoughtful Bloom stamp set. So we'll gently tap on that and add some flowers. There we go. That one probably will get covered up. There, fantastic. And so, again, that little push, pull on that lip, click. All right, so, and another swipe. And then what we'll do to put this on here, some SNAIL adhesive. Put your finger where those ridges are. SNAIL stands for Super Neat Affordable Inline Adhesive. All right, get that going a little bit. Oh, fantastic. And oh, doesn't that look nice with these coming off? There we go. And good, I covered up that one because I wasn't pleased. He was floating. Oh, I see one that I missed. Hold on, hold on. Isn't that great? You can always go back and finish. Okay, this one right here. There we go. Oh, it made this card when I was able to add the Thoughtful Bloom stamp set. That's what we have here, a sweet, clean and simple Valentine's Day card. If you'd like to make my sweet, clean and simple Valentine's Day card, all the supplies are listed below the video and available to order now in my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. And that includes the Celebration Thoughtful Bloom stamp set. It's yours absolutely for free when your order is at least $50 or more in products placed January 3rd through March 31st, 2020. And when your Stampin' Up! Order placed in January 2020 is at least $25 or more, I'm going to send you one of my sweet, clean, and simple Valentine's Day cards. So get on over now to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelly Godby, teaching you how to create hand-stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.